code is coming back after the updated part. This is why it's so good to read service information. See, and Identifix has it here. All data. I referenced this TSB. All this here, pin 1 should go to 2 now on the new one, and pin 2 should go to 3, and pin 3 should go to pin 1. So I'm going to do that and see where we're at. There you go, and that's the fix. Pin 1, the old pins had to be shifted around. So pin 1 goes where pin 2 on the new one goes, pin 2 goes where pin 3 goes on the new one, and pin 3 on the old one goes where pin 1 is. And now we're all set there, so I'm happy with that. Let's read fault codes real quick. No fault codes. All right. Woohoo! All right. So that's a fix.